Fashion is global, especially when you talk about like the European market and a lot of the Asian markets where fashion is such a big part of culture. And I think when you add some of the, a lot of the walkout or entrance outfits that guys wear now, it helps reach a global audience.
Yeah, for sure. I feel like, not everyone, some people really love fashion, some people really love football, and then, we have both, and then, people are wearing different stuff to different games, different, teams are capturing it.